Hey everybody, today is a long day today. I got my washer broke, so I've been running around trying to find a washer and can't find one in my price range. So there's no point in me buying a washer when I'm probably about to move and they probably will not have washer dryer hookup. So I'm gonna fix it myself. So that's gonna be a project in itself. So whatever. But right now I'm at BJ's. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you saw that. But right now I'm doing my intermittent fasting and it's about time for me to start eating. So I'm about to eat some cherries, drink my water, and also these peanuts. I probably shouldn't be eating these peanuts, but you know, I need my protein. So when I go to BJ's, I'm probably gonna end up just getting eggs, eggs, cucumbers, and tomatoes. That's about it. And yep, that's it. And then after that, I'm going to Home Depot, and I'm going to look for belts and stuff that I need for my washer. Man, yeah. But I guess you're gonna have to stay tuned to see what happens. Okay, so we're in Home Depot. Say hi.
Hi.
I did her hair the other day. I don't know if I like these curls though. She won't keep it in a ponytail. So I'm gonna have to cut these curls off.
Are these pretty?
Some of them are pretty, but you've been getting them wet. Now they're all fuzzy and stuff.
Well, I had to. Well, I really wanted to get wet field day because I was so cold. Because it was so hot out there.
Yeah. Okay, we're looking for the hoses for the washer. I'm not the hose. I'm saying hoses. I'm reading the word hose. The washing machine belt. The guy said it would be down this aisle, but you know me, I don't know nothing. Look what I found. A heated vest. I wonder if you could wear this when you work out. I guess it's for when you're working outside. This is a cute washer and dryer.
Look, Mom. Look, Mommy.
I see.
What kind is this one? Ooh, look inside. Yeah. This is pretty.
We're gonna keep our old one. I don't need this right now.
Oh, Mom, look, there's the one we have now. Wait, no, it's not.
Oh, yeah. He was telling me that you guys don't carry belts for the washing machine, so you have to order them.
Yeah, online.
Like on Amazon or something?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right then.
I have a
Look,
person
Mom.
on your call. They'll send it to you.
Hey, Mom, this is the kind of
Thank you.
refrigerator we
You're
need.
welcome.
We need this kind.
We fine. We don't need that. Come on. Her telling her what we need. Get a job then.
Look how big this one is.
I know, and ours just broke. We need another one. How much is this? Now that's something I'll buy. Because we really do need that.
Oh, here's one for like cheaper. But
That's not cheaper.
Oh,
How much is this one?
what the heck is this?
It's the bottom of a refrigerator, I think.
This is bigger. That one's large. This one's like more open.
Yep, so they don't have belts here, so they gave me a phone number to call, and they're gonna order. I have to order it.
It's a washer house dryer.
You wouldn't even be able to help me if I got that.
I can do this. See?
Now you're not tall enough.
I can't do it.
Hey, you'll be able to put the clothes in the washer, but then I'll have to put them in the dryer. So nope, that's not for us.
Yes, it is.
Nope.
Nope, you don't have to. It's hard to open. What in the? Whoa.
I'm
Detergent?
not sure.
That's cute. And look, you put liquid right here.
Can I please get a garden associate for the furniture for customer assistance, please?
That's how I used to be as a kid. So happy about going to Home Depot.
What is this?
I have no idea.
Oh, a dryer sheet.
I think you could lay stuff on top that you don't want to tumble around in the dryer, like a bra, some underwear, something like that.
Oh.
That's about it. Come on.
Can you videotape when we go to BJ's?
What?
Can you videotape when we go to BJ's?
Maybe. Come on, let's go. Oh, okay. Seedless though, I don't know. Why are you in the cart?
I hit my leg at school, and I'm just playing on at school.
You were just walking fine in Home Depot.
Mom, it was still hurting.
We're just getting 3 things and then we'll be done. I don't see my tomatoes that I usually get. What's going on? I might just get these. That's all they have. Oh, here they are. These are the ones I usually get. I don't know if you can see them because of the thing, but they're bigger than those. The Romania tomatoes.
I didn't do anything.
Not funny. You are way too big to be in here.
I was putting the card by you. I tried to get the card by you.
What else did I say? Eggs and... Nope, I'm not getting that.
It's chicken inside.
What are these? $2.89.
Look at those like Popeyes.
Huh? I came to get 3 things, maybe 4. I didn't come to
you
get
mean
that.
those
We remember
umbrellas?
our deep freezer broke, so we can't like just stock everything like we used to. I could probably fix my deep freezer too while I'm playing around. I'm gonna see what I need for that. So these are my favorite apples, the Pink Lady apples.
Oh, pink lady apple. I like the gala apples, Mom.
Okay. Yeah, those are big though. I don't really need
We
them.
had those at school, Mom. I eat the whole thing.
Yeah,
I'd be full when I'm at school.
I already have lemons. I don't need that. I already have honey. Don't need that.
Snacks?
I don't need snacks.
I do.
Not nothing from here. Oh man. If I feel
Wait,
sound
can I get
dry, it's because
Lunchable?
I just don't feel good. What?
Can I get a Lunchable?
Not from here? What do we need to get them in bulk for? And it's only you.
Well,
We'll go to another store. I have to get this stuff in bulk because I eat it every day. And then y'all be sneaking my stuff too.
Texas bread.
Oh, this is the wrong aisle. I need to go to the. Oh, I want one of these.
What is
Nutri
that?
Ninja. A Nutri Ninja. They're only like $99.
That's $100.
But you know what? I don't know if I really need that because I just eat my stuff, no problem. I don't know if I need to juice it. It might be for people who don't like to eat it, or if you know why juicing is better than just eating it, let me know. What?
My bread.
If I got that Texas toast, you be eating it all day long.
I love it. It's delicious.
Oh, it's only $7.99. Don't forget, we gotta get
Oh yeah, umbrella.
the food for Ariel's graduation party.
Oh yeah.
We're having that on Sunday. Let me see.
These are the.
No, these eggs are only $2.79. So I'm gonna get. They come already packaged, so get that. She thinks she gets something.
Oh my god. My lasers.
So I got all the stuff I needed. I'm not buying that. Oh, somebody come get her. You want a child? Free 99. Nope, not. Alright, I'm done.
Wait, we got to get the umbrellas.
Who said I was getting an umbrella
You said
today?
Probably.
I said probably. Look at that. So annoying.
Hey.
Caught you pouting? Okay, y'all. Talk to you later. We're walking and she acting like she's dying.
Oh yeah, she drank Pepsi.
No, I took 2 sips.
She took away.
Yeah, it's hard to stay on a diet with this thing. She always wants something to drink. So I got like the same, I got the small Polar Pop like her. Now I just got like a tiny bit at the bottom.
See?
And then I took a couple sips and I threw it away. That's how much I got in the first place.
Oh no, please don't tell me the garbage on fire again. Oh.
Oh yeah, tell them what happened last time we went for a walk.
So we went for a walk. We smelled smoke, but we thought it was a grill, but it wasn't. So a garbage was on fire in
The
fire
dumpster.
smoke. Huh?
Dumpsters.
Dumpsters.
Sad.
Oh, Mom's the ambulance.
Where? Well, anyway, we're on a walk. The dumpsters we was talking about that they set on fire the other day.
Mine was this one.
Of course it was this one. That's why I'm over here. There was smoke everywhere. I thought these trees were going to catch on fire. They didn't.
It was like fire coming out, Mom. It was
Of course it was a fire.
I
Lord
wonder-
Jesus, it was a fire.
I wonder who did it. What happened?
Some crazy person did it.